Hi everyone, I would like to welcome you all to the first RCR Global Congress in Dubai, which will take place between 29th September and 1st of October in Dubai Intercontinental Festival City. This conference is the partnership between Dubai Health Authority and Royal College of Radiologists in London. During the 3 days of the conference, we will be covering all the subspecialty of the radiology. There will be 5 lectures running within the same time. Each subspecialty has 2 track leaders, one representing Royal College of Radiologists and the other is representing Dubai Health Authority and the region. More than 50 speakers are coming from UK, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Kuwait and Oman are covering all aspects of what is needed to be covered in this field. I would like to welcome you all again to the conference.